Felix Audio has just released a new tube amplifier called the Meisterwerk tube amplifier. This is an incredibly well-made tube amp, but very expensive. I don't know much about this Felix Audio brand. I'm just coming across them. The reality is that this thing is priced at $10,000. It is incredible. Like the price is ridiculously high. But it does have the features to at least justify the $10,000 price tag. Now, it features all analog circuitry with 300B vacuum tubes. This is what the brand has included in its design. It's built exceptionally well. And one other thing again is that this model has very beautiful like design. I actually like it. It looks retro in its design. It looks like an old school tube amp that you could buy in the 70s and all that. It includes optimized circuitry and selected supporting driver tubes. This maximizes the performance of the 300B tubes for clarity and depth. At least from what the company explains. Now, in terms of the connection options at the back, you have very good input options that you can select from. You have two sets of analog RCAs. You have an XLR input for wired sources. Now, the other thing again is that the Envy is all analog, so you will never have wireless functionality on this model. You can connect it to a digital source provided they have a built-in DAC, at least provided that digital source has a built-in DAC and analog outputs, analog audio outputs. That's how it works. And you can also connect a turntable that has a built-in phono preamplifier, or even place a phono preamp between the turntable and the Envy's input. That's how it's gonna work. Now, in addition, you will even be getting a headphone amplifier as well. The MV Meisterwerk includes both RC and XLR preamp outputs for connections to an external powered speaker, even an amplifier. You can hook it up to an amplifier or an audio system for connecting to speakers. So this is just very good. Now, in terms of the amplifier type inside this model, it has a Class A single-ended transformer design. It's very well made. It's going to have a decent amount of output. At least it delivers 5 volts RMS at an impedance of 600 ohms. You know, this is quite good. It's quite good. Just that the price tag is something that I fear many people would shy away from this model because of the price tag. It's very high, so high. It's gonna make it extremely difficult for a lot of people to be able to afford it. Look, it's quite heavy. It weighs 15 kilograms. So I'll drop details down below for everyone to see if they're interested in this new release. Just know that it's around $10,000 in the US. And that's if you're buying the Zerbrono finish. There are two finishes it comes in. The Zerbrono finish and the ebony finish. The ebony finish is even more expensive. The ebony finish is 12,600 pounds, and that's in the UK currency. That should be almost $14,000 in the US. So that's crazy. I'm gonna drop details down below for everyone to see if they're interested in this new release. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.